In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Docs full screen in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to maximize your screen space or enjoy a distraction-free writing environment, making your Google Docs full screen can be incredibly beneficial. Let's dive right into it. First, let's get started by opening your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any browser that you typically use. In the search bar, simply type in Google Docs. Doing this will bring you right to the familiar interface we've all come to know. Click on the link to open Google Docs. Once you're there, you might be prompted to log in. If you're not already signed in, enter your Google account credentials to gain access. If you need to create a new account, follow the on-screen instructions to set that up. Now that you're logged in, you'll see a list of your documents. Here, you have the option to select an existing document or create a new one. If there's a specific document you want to work on, go ahead and click on it to open it up. Alternatively, if you're starting from scratch, click on the plus sign or the option labeled blank to create a new document. It's that simple. With your document open, the next step is to navigate over to the top of your screen and locate the menu bar. At the top, you'll see several options like File, Edit, View, Insert, and so forth. Focus on the View tab, which is nestled comfortably among these options. Click on View, and you'll notice a drop-down menu appears. Here you'll find a variety of options related to how content is displayed in your document. Within this drop-down, you'll see an option labeled Full Screen. Click on Full Screen. This is going to expand your document to fill the entire screen area, effectively hiding the unnecessary menus and toolbars that might clutter your view. Now, you get to work on your document with minimal distractions, providing an optimal environment for writing and editing. If you ever want to exit this full screen mode, don't worry. It's just as easy to switch back. Simply press the ESC key located on your keyboard. This key is typically found at the top left corner and can sometimes be labeled simply as Escape. Hitting ESC will bring back the familiar Google Docs menu and toolbar so you can access all those functionalities anytime you need them. And there you have it. You've learned how to toggle Google Docs into full screen and back out of it smoothly. This neat trick can truly enhance your productivity, allowing you to focus solely on your content without distractions cluttering your view. Remember, whether you're diving into deep work or keeping your workspace clean and organized, this small tip can make a big difference. Thanks for joining me today, and happy writing!